So I just wanted to do a little video here to show how our jigs work. The Vision 3D has different construction method than most kits, and I wanted to show you how we do it. Basically, each kit ships with these jigs for every part. They'll be and we use it as shipping material as well. They'll be in place like that inside of it. And what they do is they hold the EPP in place while you glue in the carbon fiber. See, it's flexible, so if you try to build it without these, it's very easy to get the geometry, off. So the way it works is there are notches in the EPP in every place where the carbon fiber meets the foam. They can be a little hard to see in the EPP. You can feel them pretty easy. But what we do is in the jigs, we have the entire carbon fiber layout cut into it. So it's super easy to see and put together. So this is the way I do it. And first of all, you want to use this welder glue. It's EPP's best friend. It flexes. It's a really strong bond, but in the event of a crash or an impact of some kind, the glue will flex and remain bonded to both the carbon and the EPP, which is very important. So here's what I do. I take and put a little drop at every place where the carbon meets the foam, but only on one side, opposite of the cut. So we're going to make a cut here and down here for these long pieces. And what that does is just gives it it seats the carbon in there and makes it easier to hold it in place while you do the cutting. So you lay that in. Kind of helps to put a finger on the opposite side so that doesn't fly away. And you just get a nice sharp cutting tool and snip it. For thin pieces of carbon fiber up to about 0.8 millimeter, you don't need to use a rotary tool or anything of that nature. Just cutting it this way is totally fine. So you can see you just go along, cut on the opposite side, and you could put glue on both sides, but you don't want to get it involved with your cutting tool and have to clean that off every time you cut. So that's the way I do it. That. That. And then one more. And you got it. That's it. That's the carbon for the whole thing. And then you can just go, go around and put glue on the places where it needs to be, where it meets the frame, and you have your part. So I'm going to do another video that shows how to attach the mylar to it, because that is every bit as easy as it is to cut the carbon. And that'll be the next one. Thank you.